Hey guys, it's me, hubby.
Hi.
And I got little one Harper and Emily with me. We are currently driving to church right now. Wifey is still feeling pretty sick, but I went and picked up her meds yesterday. She got the Z-Pack going. She's got the nighttime cough syrup going. She's got the ibuprofen going. So hopefully she's going to get better and feel a lot better, because she has not been well, as you guys have seen in the videos, for a while now. So we're going to go get our church on, just the three of us today. Between everybody, being sick, me being injured and everything.
Adrian getting his surgery.
Yeah, Adrian getting his surgery and all that and everything. We've been slacking. So got some Jesus time in. So yeah, can't wait. I'm excited. I don't like going without the wifey, but that's just an excuse. So we're going to get our God on right now. It's some much needed time in church. So yeah, we will see you guys later. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, so hubby had gone to church and I'm making dinner, or prepping dinner and then making dinner. So that's what this video is going to be about. It's Sunday. It's just kind of lounge day, hang out, still sick. Getting much better though. Today's day 3 on my antibiotics. So I could definitely tell it's kicking in. I do still have a lot of coughing, but for the most part, I'm feeling like I'm on the mend of recovery.
All right, so we just got out of church. We're just picking up some Starbucks for the honey, because she wants her Starbucks. And church was really, really, really good. They were doing a study or whatever on anxiety, being anxious for nothing, which I can definitely relate to with everything we've had going on lately. It's been definitely some anxiety going on, so it was nice to get in there and praise the Lord, Jesus, God, He forgives. I know I joke around a lot. That's just how I am. You guys don't get to see a whole lot of me because I'm always working or something, but I just love God so much, and I love everything He's blessed me with. I got 2 of my 3 beautiful daughters with me right here in the car. My beautiful wife at home recovering. My other beautiful daughter at home. She has church later tonight. So it's just really good to get reconnected again after being absent for a few weeks. So it's been really, really nice, and can't wait to bring honey her Starbucks and grub on a little bit of food. So hopefully you guys will get to see a lot more of me, other than just when we go on vacations. So see you later, guys.
So it's really cold outside today and windy. So I am making, I don't even know what it's called. I think it's called like hamburger soup. I don't know. My mom makes it, but basically it's potato. You can do ground beef, but I do turkey, ground turkey, and then you just basically cook it all together and add some tomato sauce, season it up, and you can add any veggies, but that's what we're having today. Adrian is still healing from his wisdom teeth. He looks like a chipmunk, so he needs to eat very soft type of foods. So anyways, that's what we're doing today. Just family day, hanging out, relaxing, cooking, cleaning, typical Sunday. So let's get into the video. All right, guys, so for my hamburger soup, I am cutting up about 8 to 10 russet potatoes. I'm just cutting off the skins off of them, and then I'm going to be cutting them up in cubes. Okay, once those are all cut up, I'm going to bring those to a boil in one of my big saucepans, and then I'm going to cook some ground turkey. I think it was a pound. And I'm just going to brown that. I am going to season it with some cumin. And this is all just eyeballed. Some onion powder, some garlic salt, garlic sea salt, and some bouillon, chicken bouillon flavor, and then obviously some salt, and just season that. I think I did about a teaspoon each. Just cook that and brown it, and then I'm going to lower the heat and add some tomato sauce to the meat. So while the meat is simmering, I'm adding another can of tomato sauce to the potatoes, and then I'm also adding the meat into the potatoes. As that is brought to a boil, I lower the heat, and then I open 2 cans of green beans and add that. You can add green beans, you can add corn, or you don't have to add any veggies at all. And then that's just going to continue to a boil. You're just wanting to check your potatoes, make sure they're soft, and once they are soft, then you can turn it off and it's ready to serve. I like to dip a tortilla in it, but you can eat it plain or however you want. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you in our next video. Bye.